Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to video 2 of the Sandstorm Land Cruiser. First video was super dope, got some good feedback and comments. We're on the way to LR Autobody right now to continue working on the cruiser and getting it ready, so you'll see some cool footage of the snorkel being installed and it getting ready before it goes to Wilco to put on the Hitchgate and mount on the 17-inch black Rhino wheel and 35-inch Falken Wild Peaks, and then final assembly. So stay tuned and enjoy the video.
So now we got Jonathan doing work over here, dynamitting the beige 4Runner, or Land Cruiser, sorry. Check it out. It's a Land Cruiser! Finally, no noise. You done yet?
Nope. Getting close though.
See what Big Red is doing here.
Putting dynamite in the door. Or to be technically correct,
Acumat.
Good enough.
So here's the difference between an insulated door and a non-insulated door. So we're going to show you on the fender. See how teeny it is? Here we go. Great job, Jonathan. AKA Red.
So it's Sunday night and I wasn't going to post this on our video, but this is part of the car designing game. I just had a very heated and confrontational discussion with my good friend Luis from LR Autobody. We've known each other for 15 years and have done over 60 cars together. And you know, there's a thin line between love and hate. And he drives me crazy to the point where I want to pull my hair out. But he gets the job done. We are trying to finish the beige Land Cruiser. And the list isn't too bad, but lots of little details that go to alternate edition builds to make them stand out. So it's late Sunday night. We worked all weekend and we're trying to get the car done for tomorrow. But we still have a decent checklist of, like I said, the details. So just going back and forth, trying to get it done to get to Wilco to put the fifth wheel on, button everything up before the shows. So it's not always pretty. Sometimes it's annoying, but we have a good team. So just got to push through it. Luis and his guys are going to work all day tomorrow to button this up. And then we've got to jump onto the other Land Cruiser to get that baby done. And then we start the Ranger for Ford. So it's a never-ending process. It's annoying, it's stressful, but makes it part of the end result. If it was easy, everyone would do it. So just got to get through it, get back up tomorrow, get the beige Land Cruiser done, wrap up the other projects, and get ready for the Ranger. So sometimes people drive you crazy, stress, but at the end, it all gets done. So thankful for a good team. Thankful for my wife who keeps me sane. the guys behind us. So we'll call it a night tonight on Sunday night, jump back in it tomorrow morning on Monday, and you guys will see it all get together in the next couple of days. So thanks for watching the video. Like I said, it's not always pretty. It's not always roses. Sometimes it gets stressful. Sometimes there's some heated discussions, but we wouldn't be here without the team, and we wouldn't be here without continuing to fight and show you guys the end project. So let's go. Well, wasn't that cool? The Beige Land Cruiser motor is in, up and running, AC's charged. The guys did a great job, and we got a couple little details to finish, and we will be debuting at WeekFest this weekend in the TJIN and DAYUUM Roadshow booth, so we're kind of excited. One Land Cruiser down, one Land Cruiser to go, and then we will start on the Ranger. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and comment. Any questions you got, let us know, and we'll hit you back. What's up, guys? We're at Wilco Off-road today with the Beige Land Cruiser, installing some new parts. They've got 3 variations for their hitch. We're doing the offset today. I'll show you some close-ups with some cool mounts. So we're gonna film in here first, and then some close-ups, and do a time lapse of the install. So stay tuned. So this is the offset from Wilco Off-road that's going on the Beige Land Cruiser today. We're about to start the install here at Wilco. Here are all the pieces that they'll be installing on the Land Cruiser. So, shh, shh, shh. We just wrapped up at Wilco Off-road. We love their Hitchgate. It matches up perfectly with the black Rhino wheels and the Falken Wild Peaks. So we're pretty much wrapped up with the second video. We got a couple of things left for the next video, including just all the details of putting the project together. So leave comments, ask questions, of course subscribe. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. And we got, like I said, another video or 2 left on the Sandstorm Land Cruiser. And then we'll be moving on to the Army Green Land Cruiser project. So thanks for checking us out, and continue to come back.